It's not lunchtime yet, Leo.
But I'm really hungry.
Help me cut this wood first, then you can have your sandwich.
I'll be seeing you later.
Right, today, Leo, I'm going to show you how to use a jigsaw so you can cut the wood for the shelves that we're making.
Jigsaws? Easy peasy. I did a puzzle with 1,000 pieces once.
Not that kind of jigsaw, Leo. This kind of jigsaw.
Huh, that looks easy. Let me give it a shot.
Hold on. First, let's practice. See how you do with this piece of scrap wood.
Oh, let me try the real stuff.
It's a powerful machine, Leo. You need to practice first. Here, cut along this line.
This'll be easier than a 2-piece jigsaw. Done. Not quite as good as yours, Bob.
Never mind, Leo. Try again, but this time, don't squeeze so hard on the trigger.
Sure thing.
Perfect. Okay, let's get cutting.
There we go, Bob. That's the final shelf cut. Can I eat my sandwich now?
Of course, if you can fit it in your mouth.
Don't worry, Bob. I've got a plan for that.
Leo, no, I don't think that's such a great idea, do you?
Oh.
I'll get you a knife. So, this is the base for the decking area I want you to nail down, Leo.